Hello everyone, welcome to our Crochet tutorial today. We are going to create a stunning yellow cap together. It's perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you are new to crochet. Let's get started. Materials. First, gather your materials. Yellow yarn, a crochet hook, scissors, and a tapestry needle. That's all we need to begin. Step number 1. Making a slip knot. Take your yarn and make a slip knot. This will be the starting point of our cap. Place the loop on your crochet hook. Step number 2. Chain stitches. Now chain 4 stitches. This will form the foundation ring of our cap. Step number 3. Single crochet. Next, make 12 single crochet stitches into the foundation ring. Work around the ring, making sure to keep your stitches tight and even. Step number 4. For the next few rows, we shall increase the number of stitches gradually to create the crown of the cap. This will give it a nice rounded shape. Step number 5. Main body. Continue crocheting in rounds until the cap reaches your desired length. Remember to count your stitches to keep the shape consistent. Step 6. Decreasing rows. Once the cap is long enough, we shall start decreasing stitches evenly to form the top. Step number 7. Finishing off. Finally, fasten off your yarn and weave in any loose ends using a tapestry needle. Your beautiful yellow cap is now ready to wear. Congratulations on making your own crochet yellow cap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your creations with us. Happy crocheting. Thanks for watching this video.